also known as stir-fried rice cake. And today I will be showing you the ingredients, the recipe and the results of this delicious food. First, we will be making the sauce. Here are the ingredients for the tteokbokki. You can see the rice cakes, the green onions, dashima and anchovies, fish cakes and eggs. For the sauce, you will need ketchup sauce, chili paste, soy sauce, brown sugar and syrup. Put all of these ingredients into a bowl and carefully mix them. You will have to keep mixing until the chili paste has dissolved. Add 400 milliliters of water into a wok. Then add the dashima and anchovies as well. Stop when the water is boiling. Next, pour the sauce into the wok as well. Next, put all the rice cakes into the bowl. Stir carefully and make sure that the rice cakes soften. Also make sure that the tteokbokkis don't stick to the bowl. Next, put all the fish cakes into the wok as well. After all this, carefully sprinkle all the green onions into the wok. If you want to, you can also add some boiled eggs into your delicious meal. This is the final product. Enjoy. Oh, delicious! Maybe you could try some at your home.
Ooh, yummy!
This is my sister, Chelsea.